Hi, I Dr. Prashant Upadhyay welcome you all again on my YouTube channel Gate Arena. In this lecture, we will going to talk about how to apply and where to apply the design thinking. Where to apply the design thinking? This is very important question. So when we are talking about the design thinking, we say that design thinking is applicable to every industry, whether it is a manufacturing industry, it is the finance industry, it is a healthcare industry, it is the education industry. Every industry you can apply the. Why you are applying the design thinking? Because you have to solve the problems. Again, when you are want to effectively meet client requirement, you have to go with the design thinking approach. Sometime in the design thinking, we talk about the reinforced innovation. That means we whatever the innovation is being done, we try to come up with the iteration that okay, can we make this product more useful or productive from the user point of view? And finally, one of the biggest quality which we found in the design thinking is that it strengthens the leadership. It gives you the leadership qualities, how to do the administration. Okay. So again, when we are talking about the design thinking, just forget that it is only for the designer. It is applicable for everyone, whoever you are. We all need design thinking to stay in this competitive environment in this today fast moving business climate. So if you are not talking about the critical thinking, you are not talking about the innovative approach, okay, so you are out of this market. So whenever you are talking about the jobs, whenever you are talking about any of the profession like education system, healthcare industries, you have to think differently. You have to think out of the box if you want to survive in this environment. In next lecture, we will going to talk about the history of a design thinking.